magazines. You want them, you gotta have them, and you most certainly can't get enough of them. But what if there was a way to get reliable but cheap magazines? So here on the right, I have a OK Industries shirt feed. Now these were discontinued by OK Industries in December of 2022. But before then, these ran for $12.50. And now there's also the option of buying Magpul magazines, which usually run from about $8 to $10 per magazine. But here on the left, I have a USGI OK Industries magazine. Now I bought this magazine for $5, and at the surface level, these two magazines are the same. But the only real difference is in their follower. The OK Industries SureFeed has a Magpul anti-tilt follower, and the OK Industries USGI has the old tilting follower. So what we're going to do is convert this follower to a Magpul anti-tilt follower. And in order for us to do that, what we need to do is flip the magazine over. You're going to take something small like a punch or in this case, an Allen key, stick it in this hole right here. What you're going to do is try to pry and lift up and push back on the base plate this way. Now, once you've got the base plates loose, just make sure that you cover your hand over the end of the magazine so the spring doesn't go flying out. Alright, then you're going to gently remove the spring from the magazine. Alright, then you take a pair of needle nose pliers and remove the tip of the spring from the old follower. Then all you have to do is place the tip of the spring on the new follower. Alright, now you place your new follower and spring back into your magazine. I'll hold it down on the spring, put your base plate back on. Alright, nice and in place. And now, we have a converted magazine. So you can buy these anti-tilt followers in a pack of 3 for $4. And I got this magazine for $5. That brings us out to a total of $9, and I still have 2 other followers that I can use on any other magazines I find. Anyways, thanks for watching.